Good morning. Coach Micheal Burt, Monday morning, May 1st. Can you believe January, February, March, April, May, 5 months into this year, 4 months completed. Should be warmed up and ready to go by now, folks. So I'm Coach Micheal Burt. I believe everybody needs a coach. I believe a good coach can change your life. I like to come and bring these morning sessions. We call them rhythms, drives. Just a few minutes with me to get you up, get you going, get you excited about the day. And I always teach something of value, okay? And I wrote in my notes today, because I'm starting a 4-week series today at 11:30 called A Confident Mind, Daniel Hodges. And you're going to get a link to that because Daniel Hodges is in my What's Next group, my High Net Worth Mastermind. So you're going to get a link to that. You also get all the replays. If you have not registered for that, it's $97. It's 4 weeks with me, folks. I'm listening to a sermon this morning, and the pastor, Jimmy Evans, Alan Mitchell, is talking about King David killed Goliath not because of how he fought, but because of how he thought. It all starts in the mind. Okay? There's a country music song called what? I got a thinking problem and a drinking problem. A confident mind, see, every action you take is driven by your thoughts. So this morning, the only thing I'm going to tackle, Freddie Blanton, is this one. Do you believe you can go do X? Do you believe you can go do X? Whatever X is for you. Whatever the concept is you want to do. Do you believe you can go do it? That one thought, that one concept, okay? Here's my personal beliefs. It's going to be a fight, but we're going to find a way to win. It's going to probably take longer than we thought it was going to. It's probably going to be harder than we thought it was going to. It's probably going to cost more than we thought it was going to. But we're going to win. And when you come into every day with that mindset, it's going to be a fight, but we're going to find a way to win. It's going to be harder than we thought, but we're going to find a way to win. See, it all starts with this one mindset. And for so many people, they lack confidence. They're insecure. Insecure about what? Whether it's going to work, whether they can make it, whether they can figure out how to generate income, whether they can figure out a problem they've got. It all is in the approach of when it comes up, do you believe you can win or not win? Now, when I was a basketball coach, here was the concept I used to have. Many times I would go into battle knowing the other team was more talented than us. State championship, guys. The state championship I won. All 3 teams we played to win a state championship, on paper, were more talented. The first team we played, 19 times they had been in the state championship game. 19 times they'd been to the state tournament. And it's like David and Goliath. Okay? David won the battle versus Goliath, Jeff Breed, not because of how he fought, but because of how he thought. Okay? And until you start changing the way you think and have this confidence that I'm talking about. Confidence is a memory of success. It's an internal knowing that you can create or manifest what you see in your mind. It only starts and comes through repetition, ongoing, role play, simulation. It happens because you do something over and over, and then in the sports world it becomes muscle memory. But the big question I want you to walk away with today, Brian White, do you believe you can do it? Okay, from 22 to 25, I didn't believe I was a championship coach. Here's what I told myself. These were the thoughts. I'm a good coach, but I'll never be a championship coach. Okay, started my business, I'll be a good speaker, but I'll never be one of the top speakers in the world. When I started writing books, I'll write good books, but I'll never write Wall Street Journal best-selling author. See, I had a thinking problem, Mark. I believed I was in the game. At least this is what I was saying. At least I'm in the game. At least I'm on the stage. Okay? I'll be good, but I won't be the best. I'll win 25 games, but I'll never win a championship. See, what I had was a thinking problem. So, if I'm talking to you, I've got a 4-week series that starts today at 11:30. You can still get in. I'll post the link. It's called A Confident Mind. You don't want to miss this. It's based on the work of Nate Zinsser, which is the psychologist at West Point, and my best work on confidence from my book on confidence that I wrote many years ago, because I lost all my confidence. Confidence is either your greatest asset or it's your greatest liability. End of discussion. It either adds or it subtracts, Robert Challenger. Okay? So you either walk into the day with confidence, and that confidence turns to remarkable boldness. There's Ryan Hall, one of our coaches. There's my daughter. She's going to get a workout in this morning. She's going to build her confidence. Because confidence always follows action. Okay, 4-week series. Get your kids in it, get your wife in it, get your family in it, get your agents in it. I'm telling you, after these 4 weeks with me, when you really understand confidence, you're gonna be bolder, you're gonna be more equipped, you're gonna be more focused, you're gonna do everything better. Okay, starts today at 11:30 Central Time. And if you miss it, don't worry. You said, man, I'm busy today. Get the replays. Watch it with your family. Trust me, you will be thankful. Based on Zessner and Burt. You guys have a great day. Before I get started, there is one very important question I have to ask you.
Coach Micheal Burt, Monster Producer Academy CEO. He's a personal friend of mine.
What good is it to have knowledge with no desire? What good is it to have desire with no skill? What good is it to have knowledge and skill with no confidence? A big part of activating your prey drive is finding and refining your talent. This is something that helps you get to the next place. People are made up of 4 parts: a body, a mind, a heart, and a spirit. You need to know you, and then you need to have an awareness, and sometimes you don't even know what you need. So all 4 parts of our nature have to be clicking. Your hard skill solves my problem. The bigger the problem, the more money people will pay to solve it. Everything is valuable to your future. What I'm really paying you for is your past. A monster producer combines multiple skills to dominate a market. When you get to wake up every day and do what you love doing, man, it is hard not to be motivated. They think at a higher ordinance than everybody else. They want to create new things. I have a conviction about me, and that's the conviction that you feel when I talk, when I speak. It comes across as passion. You got to learn how to connect to another person at such a deep level that it moves them. You have goals, you have targets, but you don't have a sense of urgency. They're going to exchange money, energy, they're going to raise capital, they're going to start new businesses, there's going to be joint ventures. I think your purpose finds you. It is activated. The word activate means to initiate. Discipline, which is a derivative of the word disciple, which means to give yourself to a person or cause you believe in. Do you believe in your future, yes or no? When we know better, we do better. Finding the problem that you are uniquely qualified to solve, and you don't know what problem you really solve for whom, then there is no big financial exchange right there. You should leave here thinking bigger today than when you came. And I want to shake your hand and look you in the eyeball when you make this decision. Thank you. We'll see you in the back. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.